Vicky Bana,
Ji,
Kamangani.
how are you? Good to see you.
Good to see
Good
you
to see
too.
you. Why don't you come and see us in Jojawar?
आपने फरमाया हम हाजिर हो जाएंगे.
Sure, look forward to
Soon
seeing
enough. Yeah?
See you.
We'll meet you with your horses.
Sure. Oh, beta.
Good morning, Vicky Bana.
Good morning, Bob ji.
Great to see you in action.
Morning routine. Bash beta.
What better way to start the morning? The horse gets exercise and so do you.
Kamangani, welcome to
Kamangani.
Ravla Jojawar Stud, Bob ji.
Thank you.
That's
Thank you
my
very
son,
much.
Harshaditya.
अरे क्या बात है? He's become tall since I saw him last. Eh?
Growing fast. Chalo, we are in perfect timing to have breakfast with horses.
Yeah, that sounds interesting. Breakfast with horses at Jojawar Stud.
We've intentionally used all the ingredients which usually the horses are fed.
Hmm.
So we're having sorghum ki khichdi,
Okay, that is jawar.
ज्वार, मूंग दाल का चीला, फिर मिलेट की राब,
So that is bajra ki rab.
यस ये हाँ, एंड ग्रीन जो अभी चिकपीस का सीजन है ना, उसका झाझरिया बोलते हैं हमारे यहाँ, काइंड ऑफ अ
Sira.
सीरा पुडिंग आप बोल लो, एंड तिल के लड्डू. इट्स अ गुड सोर्स ऑफ कैल्शियम एंड दे एब्जॉर्ब इट रियली नाइसली.
Okay.
एंड कैरेट जूस.
And I like this. Sweet ending with good. तो आज हम वही सब खाएंगे जो ये घोड़े खाते हैं.
जी.
So I see you've used the bonnet of the Scorpio. I came in also as a serving table. Eh?
हाँ, why not?
Yeah, bonnet breakfast.
With the horses.
विकी बेना हम खाएं उसके पहले घोड़ों को भी कुछ गाजर खिला देते हैं.
Sure, why not, Bob ji?
Superb.
Please have a seat.
Thank you. Thank you. Arshid, come. That horse is very interested with what's on the menu. You know, Vicky Bana, when I'm looking at the Scorpio, which is a made in India, indigenous SUV, and then I'm looking at these horses, it makes me wonder, isn't the horse the original SUV?
बिल्कुल बॉब साहब, यही तो ओरिजिनल एसयूवी है. यू कैन टेक हिम एनीवेयर यू वांट. ऑल टेरेन.
All terrain, at least I think our ancestors, your ancestors in particular, all of them have ridden all over this region of Marwar on the back of this Marwari horses.
Yes, yes.
And from what I have seen, even, like we have four-wheel drive in the Scorpio, they have of course got four legs and they are very sure-footed.
Very sure-footed and very good suspension. They take you through difficult terrains and you would not realize sitting on them.
So when you say suspension, you mean flexibility of the joint
Really good.
and the way the legs and body moves.
It's a very smooth ride.
Kya baat hai? The Marwari has a smooth ride. I like it. You're using automotive terms.
So Bob uncle, would you like to visit our family Ravla?
Most certainly. But only if you ride ahead of me.
अरे आगे आगे कोतल गुड़लो लारी बनी सरो रतड़ो राज आगे आगे कोतल गुड़लो लारी बनी सरो रतड़ो राज मारो.
So, Harshaditya, why don't you introduce me to your family?
She is my mother, Kirti,
Angini?
and she is my birthday mother, Kamagari.
Angini. और ये अभी हमने जो घोड़े का पूजा किया वो किस लिए किया?
पुराने जमाने में horse used to be the vahan. Women, all women, we pray to the horse for the safe return of our husbands.
नहीं, सो मीन्स कि कहीं भी जाना हो, काम के लिए हो, शादी बारात हो, किसी से मिलना हो या जंग लड़ना हो तो घोड़े पे ही बैठ के जाते. और घोड़ा जब उनको घर सेफ ले आता था तो उसकी पूजा करते थे.
We are just trying to follow the tradition. They are like family to us. We have a unique and a strong bond.
It is so nice to see, the bonding between the Rajput family and the horse stays, and Ghoda is like the family member. And in today's day, तो we have to say कि हाँ भाई लोग आजकल तो गाड़ियों में जाते हैं तो गाड़ी जब घर सेफ ले आए उसका भी पूजा करना चाहिए.
The mode of transportation change हो गया.
तो फिर उसका भी पूजा हमारी गाड़ी का भी करेंगे.
बिल्कुल करेंगे.
अरे क्या बात है, देखा
अरे सावले रंग रो मारे अंधा तारी
घोड़े पे बांधा था, अब गाड़ी पे भी बांध लीजिए. हाँ?
मारे अंधा तार गोली लो.
हाँ, ये भी बहुत जरूरी है. ये आजकल तो सब गाड़ी में ही ट्रैवल करते हैं. सो गाड़ी का सेफ होना एंड टू ब्रिंग एवरीवन होम सेफली इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो soon you will be driving in few years time, Harshaditya. So drive safe. So really, what a nice surprise the way we've been welcomed in your home, Harshaditya.
Yes, but we have one more surprise for you tomorrow.
I'm looking forward to that. And thank you very much.
अरे कपड़ो भलो सफेद अरे ठाकर तो दातार भलो अरे घोड़लो भलो सफेद.
So Vikimana, what's happening here?
Bobji, we've just arranged a small display, or you can call it a parade of horses. Some stallions and some mares and some fillies from our stable.
कपड़ो भलो सफेद.
In olden days, there used to be a lot of jewelry for ceremonies and all. But in some of the horses, we're using the necklaces which are from from grandfather, great grandfather's time.
So it's basically ancestral jewelry that some of the stallions will be wearing when they go by.
Yeah.
So this is like a horse fashion show.
Sort of. These are our village singers. They are going to be singing some of the songs on horses, the local folklore.
Very interesting.
अरे ठाकर तो दातार भलो अरे घोड़लो भलो सफेद.
I must tell you one thing. More and more I'm spending time with you guys, I'm learning one thing, is that what is life without horsepower?